Welcome back to another exciting video of Lazymangarage. I'm holding the charger here so that way I can film this for us, right? Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be eliminating his stabilizer bar to put this R-Fab shifter plate and his hybrid racing shifter, which is designed for it, and he's going to be putting on his brakes and rotors. I gave him, which are R1 Concepts. You guys can get yourselves some drilled and slotted rotors and brakes from R1 Concept using the link down below for a good price. And now, Sam, get to it.
Finally.
So right now what he's doing is removing his stabilizer bar. I didn't even know you had an innovative shift linkage on this.
Yeah, that's both cars. But yeah.
Get on in there.
The biggest reason I gotta do this is you'll see it after because the shift linkage rubs and my exhaust is in there.
So the reason why we're doing this video is because a lot of people don't understand what the hell I'm talking about when I say, hey, have you heard about that plate that eliminates the stabilizer bar? And everybody's like, So now instead of you going, you guys go, oh, I know what he's talking about. Because every time I talk about it to people, they think I'm fucking crazy.
Shout out Rico, he's the one that showed me about that.
Rico, yeah.
Yeah.
Rico, if you're watching this, shout out to you.
He picked up that plate for me yesterday and brought it. I was happy as fuck.
Oh, he brought it to you?
Yeah, I was happy as fuck.
Oh, shit.
I was like, bro, good fucking looking.
Sam is weaseling his way back to the shifter.
I still don't know if I'll be able to pull this off without taking off the exhaust.
I can see where it would probably rub against either the exhaust or each other.
No, it doesn't hit the exhaust. It hits the shift rods hit each other. But, oh, okay, this exhaust is already cool. I dig it.
So he got the shifter down, the whole shifter assembly, and his stabilizer bar, which is the one that's holding onto the shifter, which he's not going to be using anymore. So
I don't need this anymore.
The plate acts as the stabilizer bar, so you just drill into the chassis and you eliminate this bar right here, and you use this one still, but not this one. You'll see what I mean. So with the bar out, this plate is going to be replacing this, and this is going to still go into here because this is where you shift, and that's it. No more stabilizer bar. This is what people call, well, this is what is called a stabilizer bar.
Yeah.
And you want to use the bushings there or the bushings on the back of this anymore. It's literally just a plate that bolts to your chassis.
Right.
And see?
That's why I didn't get this for shits and giggles. I was like, I got it because my linkage was rubbing. So.
Damn.
Eliminate 2 issues.
Kill 2 stones with 1 bird.
Kill 1/2 a bird with 3.5 stoner bird.
Am I zoomed in? Oh, nope.
Alright.
Okay. So, I just got under here. Oh, get my fat ass back under here. So, there is these 2 10mm nuts that were right here, and they're not there anymore because I grinded them down so that way the plate can sit flush. And, yeah. Now we're in a better motion here, and Sam's gonna come down here and drill his pilot holes, and then drill more holes, and then holes, and then holes. And I'm tired of digging holes, and that's too damn bad. All right, Sam, you're up.
Yay.
Okay, so all the drill bits I gave you are right here on your seat next to my impact. Oh, oh, oh. Say it like Rick Ross. Oh. You're saying, oh. Did you let the toady out?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
As soon as I open the door, she's like, I'm free!
So we got the plate chilling right here. It's tightened with the 210s back here. And it's chilling right now. He has to drill the 2 holes that are going to come through here. But the plate is centered. Now I know that these are always supposed to be in the front, but in this case it's going to have to be in the back because if this was right here, you couldn't fit it to get past this lip Like it was being covered by this lip, so there's no way you would be able to put the hardware in. And it didn't look too centered. It looked like this was far, like this hole was far back. So he's drilling right now.
I don't know if your drill bits are strong enough.
Yeah, they are. It's an impact. There it is. Do the other hole. Yep. Twirled up a bunch of carpet, but it's there. Boom, hole 1, hole 2. Alright, plate is sitting and it's ready to be installed. I don't know what Sam's butt crack is doing.
Oh yeah. Figuring out what sockets we need.
Let's see. Well, if you put one on top, to find out what size it is, if you put one on top, it's going to be the same size at the bottom.
Should be.
So, if it's a 14, I'll get my impact and then I'll hit it on the top. I like how it's closing the gap here as you tighten it. So right now he's doing these two right now, and then we're going to tighten up these two together. I'm going to hold, he's going to tighten.
Oh, I need to fucking paint it.
It should be fine.
Nah.
Oh, yeah. Where I grinded down the...
We'll just do it like this, fuck it.
Okay. Jesus. Which ones are you tightening down?
Same ones.
Same ones?
Alright, let's do this one, because this one's the crooked one.
I'm on it. Trops tool.
Yep, flatten yourself out.
I told you it would.
I don't believe you.
You didn't believe me?
You're still holding, right?
Yeah. I didn't have to put any pressure until now.
Alright, that should be tight enough.
Alright, the other one?
Yeah, the other one.
Look at that. Wait, it closes the gap. It just pulls itself together. All done?
Let's double check the other side.
What do you mean the other side?
This side over here.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Hold it real quick.
Good. That's it. It's in there.
Yep.
And then your hybrid racing shifter sits in here like this with the bolts sitting there. So you hold it down with an Allen key, and then the other person underneath the car tightens it up for you. So this is essentially what it would look like. It's not even attached yet, but it sits flush, really flush. And I like it a lot, actually. And the bolts straighten themselves out. This thing needs some Viagra. It's just funny seeing you shift it from down there.
Before I actually put this on, do you have any grease?
Grease? I do. I have high temp grease.
Well, whatever. I just need some for this.
Yeah. Okay. So what you're gonna look for is over there.
Where's over there?
Oh, here. Let me help you. Let me get my fat ass out of here. Ugh. Ah. Okay. High temp grease should be. You found the grease?
I found a degreaser.
Yeah, because I thought it was over here, but it's not. Oh, okay. It's kind of the house towel.
You told me I could wipe my hands on it.
Yeah, just wiping your hands. I didn't tell you could fucking
Grease it up?
grease it up, yeah. I used it to dry off a car.
This is to dry off your butt.
Yeah. So this is it fully installed. This part obviously is still kind of loose because he hasn't adjusted it yet. But first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Just one finger. That's it. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Notchy. Notchy as hell. And the reason why it moves like this is because it's a spherical bearing, but it's notchy. So all he does is shift now. Go ahead, shift. No more stabilizer bar. It's just one bar now, all the way down.
That's fucking nice, bro. That's sick.
All the way down. No stabilizer bar. This is your stabilizer bar now. Okay. Now it's time for me to do the exhaust. And for me to do the exhaust. How's it feeling, Samuel?
It's fucking... It still bugs me that it's offset.
Doesn't really look offset. It always leans to the left.
You're just telling me that so I don't feel bad.
No, it always leans to the left. Okay, let's see. Exhaust. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on down here.
I don't know if it'll fit in that spot though. That's the only thing.
Well, no, it'll have to be right here. In this spot. Let's see.
Yeah, see, now drop it back down. Jesus. It seems like it'll fit there.
It'll fit there. You just have to add a hanger to it.
I ain't got that.
Well, shit.
Oh, I think I do, but they're at home.
I have one on Alex's old exhaust.
Well, what if he fucking uses it?
Well, all he needs is the pipe. Because I need to use that as a blueprint. But where would I add the hanger onto this bad boy?
There's that.
Yeah, you could put one right there. Boom. And it would sit up just like that. It sucks that it can't come through this way.
Yeah, but there's no room there. I've already looked at it yesterday. I don't know how many fucking times.
So make your marking here.
But I don't know where to cut it.
Probably at the elbow. Maybe a little bit before the elbow. Here.
Oh, I can't tell, bro.
Here's a pen. Because if it's going to come all the way over here. Oh, shit. So it's going to come all the way over here, right? Here, I'll hold it.
Well, it'd have to come, like, so it doesn't hit the LCA.
Okay, we'll put it where you
Like
need
there?
it. Yeah. And I'm holding it. I'll bring up the exhaust.
Yeah, probably like here.
All right, well, here, I'm going to throw you the pen. Oh, fucking great.
I'll throw you the pen?
Shut the fuck up, Sam.
Probably like there. Let me look at it from the side.
Yeah, you want to do that? Because this is getting kind of heavy.
Yeah, actually, that'll work.
All right, so I just got done welding his exhaust. Show you the process. Some of the welds are good, some of the welds are bad because these were tacks, and then it kind of split on me. But as you can see, it's my welds. Not bad, not the best, but where is it? There it is. It's kind of hard to see out here because my screen is, but the rest of it looks like that all the way through. I'm not trying to, woo! All the way through. So, penetrated, it's on there, it's good. It's a lot better than these welds, that's for damn sure. But, gotta let that bitch cool off because it is way too hot to touch. After working with the exhaust about 17,000 million times with Sam, because Sam's picky, this is how we have the exhaust mounted. We shortened the rod on top. I welded up a hanger right there that came off of an old exhaust, and it is not going anywhere. So he is going to be happy with it. Yes, it's going to scrape because it's a big ass fucking exhaust, and he still hasn't even turned it on so I can hear how it
You gotta
sounds.
tighten this shit up.
Well, hurry up. So I can.
Where the hell do you think I'm going?
What'd you say to me? Tighten it up.
I'm getting there.
Do it. Do it faster. Look it. Function 7, Dynaflex. Wait, is this a Dynaflexum? Oh no, Dynaflex TM.
Fucking nice. It's way quieter.
Way quieter?
Way quieter. Before it was literally just like.
Yeah, that sounds really quiet. You barely even hear it.
Yeah, that's nice.
And somebody's gonna charge you $80 to put that on?
Yeah, Chris is charging me $80.
I'm gonna charge you shit.
You're gonna
I'm gonna kill you!
bro.
Man, he keeps mimicking this fucking meme I showed him, and he's stuck on just one part of the whole meme. He's not even saying the rest of it.
Chris.
Yeah, don't say it again, Sam. Fuck. I'm trying to watch you fucking do this, and you're just... Did you just fart?
No.
Oh.
You want me to?
No, please
Try.
don't. Break it loose, boy. There it is.
That was this, not the.
Oh.
Shaka bra.
Out with the old, in with the news.
In with the Shaka bras.
So these are R1 Concepts drilled and slotted rotors. If you guys would like to get yourself some drilled and slotted rotors like these, use the go in the description and use the email down below. Email them and tell them with the part number that you want, and they will hook you up on a good price because they don't have a discount code, but this is what they do. So even Young Static needed help finding brakes. I sent him the email. He emailed them. They sent him the right ones for I think the Free RX or the Flip RX. So he's using the exact same kind of ones that we're using on this 91 Civic. And he has brand new brake pads too from R1 Concept, the OE replacement ones. So this is the, where is it? This is the part number right here for the brakes, semi-metallic, and it has a leaf on it, which means it's leafy. And for the rotors, this is the part number for the rotors right here. So that's the size, that's the rotor, and these are from R1 Concept. Shout out to them, hooking the boy up. He's getting happy, and now he officially has drilled and slotted front and backs because I saw that he had just the blanks and not the drilled and slotted. So I was like, dude, WTF? He said, dude, I haven't had the car running in a year. So yeah, exhaust is done, shifter is done, and now the brakes are getting it done. Last thing. Jesus. Sam drove off, a happy customer. Now it's just me and Toady. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please make sure to slap that like button. Please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you guys are notified when I upload, because my schedule is not consistent. I just realized this a while ago. This video should be out by Tuesday. So if you're watching this, it's Tuesday. If you guys would like to buy anything from R1 Concepts or from MPC or SP Machine Shop or OMO Motorsports or PLM headers or Fastline finishing lines, links are all down in the description down below to save yourself some money. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.